wouldn't go back to not using Atypical. Allison and Leah and the entire team, they're amazing. She doubled our profits in the first year, and they're just amazing. And my recommendation would be do what they tell you to do, and you won't be disappointed.
Working with Atypical Events is awesome. Their entire team is friendly, they're professional, and they took our event to the next level.